Hi guys, today I would like to share with you 7 easy steps on how to hang letters. Here's my final product. My word had 4 letters and this is the word that I have chosen. Number 1, you want to measure the area of where your letters gonna go. So here is mine. Measured the width and the height using a ruler. Here's to kind of show you the area that I was planning for. Step number 2, we're going to lay out our letters on a piece of paper. If you don't have a larger piece of paper, this can also be a paper towel or taped together printing paper, newspaper, things like that. Step number 3, we're going to trace the letters. Here I'm using a marker. You can use a pen or pencil or anything might work. Step number 4, we're going to mark the holes, and this is the tricky part. You want to kind of pay attention. I'm using a blue chalk to mark the hole of where the nail is going to hang. So this is important, where the nail is going to end up hanging and not where it's going to enter. Here's a close-up. You see that up high? I'm putting the chalk kind of heavy on there, so when I turn them back around, it will leave a nice mark for me. Step number 5, we're going to press really hard. You're going to turn your letters around and press really hard because you need that mark. Step number 6, we're going to be cutting our holes. Here I'm using an X-Acto knife to cut exactly there where the chalk had made a mark for me. Step number 7, we're going to mark the holes on the wall. Here's my stencil. It's nice and ready for me. I use masking tape to attach it. I mark the holes with the pencils of where the nails are gonna go. I put the nails on the wall. I hang my stuff. Ta-da! It's all ready. And now all you have to do is step back and say, ah,